Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make ube mochi. This is so yummy and chewy and it's really heaven. So hope you will try this recipe. So I have here 2 cups of glutinous rice flour. I've got 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs slightly beaten, 1 can cocoa milk, 1/2 cup unsalted melted butter, 2 teaspoons of ube flavoring or ube extract, and 1 3/4 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. Now we're gonna add all our dry ingredient first. So we'll start with the sugar, followed by our baking powder and salt. So just mix them together. This time all our liquid ingredients. So start with the milk, our eggs, then our cocoa milk, salted butter, mix. Then our ube extract or ube flavoring. You can use a wire whisk in here if you don't have any hand mixer. But on this segment, I prefer to use hand mixer. So before putting into the hand mixer, I just mix them slightly. So on a medium speed, I mix them. And don't overmix as well, so less than 5 minutes. Then once they're done, put them into a baking pan, but I line the baking pan with a non-grease proof paper. If you don't have any non-grease proof paper, you can put a little bit of butter on the baking pan. Just cover that with butter, and then you can put all your mixture into the baking pan. So it's time to go to the oven. So I bake them at 180 degrees for an hour, but you need to keep checking as well. And there you go. It's kind of sticky and chewy. It's very nice. So hope you try this one, guys. And if you have any questions or comment, just write it down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And also if you want to see some of my mochi recipe, just check my other videos as well. Enjoy every bite. Stay safe, everyone. Yours truly, Tita Barbee. Bye.